New developments on a hot topic in Grand Forks. Some are upset about a new corn milling plant being built by Fufeng USA, a branch of a Chinese-owned company that specializes in animal nutrition.
Their concerns started after a Grand Forks City Council meeting, and today the issue moved to a Devils Lake courtroom after district judges in Grand Forks recused themselves from the issue.
LA News Team's Aaron Walling brings us the latest.
Here in Devils Lake, the legal battle between the city of Grand Forks and some residents has begun. These residents are seeking the right to have a vote by the people in regard to a corn milling plant being built by the Fufeng Group.
The city should have fought this the proper way, at the ballot with politics, not through impermissible use of the law.
Both sides spent close to an hour and a half inside the Ramsey County Memorial Courthouse Thursday making their case. It revolves around whether the city has to accept a referendum from petitioners to put the project to a vote.
And if the city has put things like whether there should be a pool in a certain location and mundane things like that, whether there should be a new public park in the city, then why wouldn't something of this magnitude be proper for a public vote?
Earlier this year, numerous people spoke out against the project at the city council meetings.
I am very disappointed with our council that we are having to go through the process of hiring attorneys to have our voices heard. You are elected.
How do you sit there and deny the right for these people to have a vote, to have a voice, to have anything? The township should come before any city matters, and you reject the township's rules and laws?
Many say they don't want a Chinese entity operating so close to them or to a U.S. airbase. Others argued against it for environmental reasons.
To me, it's a no-brainer. We don't need this factory. We love our clean air. We love our clean water. We can stand on any of those issues and fight this thing.
The city of Grand Forks says the petitioners could have gone a different route and possibly already got this issue on the ballot.
That's the fundamental problem in this case, Your Honor, is the referral of a contract. There may be other things that would get this to a vote in the city of Grand Forks. It's not for us to discuss that today. That's not the issue before the court. But if there is, then they simply referred the wrong thing.
For the petitioners, they're just glad to get their day in court and now await the results to come in.
If I don't stand up now and stand up for what I believe in, and my kids and my grandkids look back and they say, well, what did you do, Grandpa? Why didn't you step up? I can literally say, I did everything I can.
Now both parties await the ruling that will come from Judge Donovan Foti. Reporting in Devils Lake, Aaron Walling, Valley News Live.
No word yet on just how long that ruling may take.